The Find Run widget option is a powerful tool that allows you to find any runs within any combination of parameters. It will even allow you to utilize the most recent run as the root of the search and then save it for quick reference. You can also combine multiple different search parameters. This means that you can create some very powerful searches that give you new data after each pass. For example, let's create a search that showed you all of your passes where you had a similar launch and ET. The first thing we want to do is create the 60-foot parameter by going to the ET slip category and selecting the 60-foot variable. Now that we've selected our variable, we need to define our search parameters. You can easily click on the plus or minus button and it will change to equal, not equal, greater than or equal, less than, and less than or equal. Because we would just want to find similar runs and don't care if the ET was a little quicker or slower, we'll select the plus or minus operator. Then, instead of a percentage, we'll manually type in how close we want to see. Since it's 60 foot, we'll select 0.025. Now here's where this gets powerful. We could easily manually type in what our 60 foot just was, but that would be a pain after every single pass. So if we simply click on Use Most Recent Info, then it will automatically grab your most recent pass as the basis for the search. Next, since we want this to show similar launches and ETs, we need to click on Add Param, and now we have the ability to add another search parameter. For this example, it's going to be 8th mile ET, and we'll make it within 200ths of the most recent pass. We could also further fine-tune it by saying only show the tracks where the match was the most recent run or whatever you would like. When you are done filling out your search parameters, you can opt to give your search a name for easy reference. If you don't, it will automatically generate one for you. You can then hit Save Search or Find Runs, and it will automatically change your logbook data to show you only the runs that fit the desired criteria. If you notice at the top, the run number has now been replaced with a date for easy reference. And if you have created a specific view for showing launch statistics, then you can easily change the view, and now we are seeing only the launch specific stats of all the runs similar to the last pass. If you click on the event dropdown below the separator, you'll see your search listed at the top. You can also get to this by clicking on the left and right buttons. It will only show the most recent 5 searches in this area of the logbook. So if you want to pull up an older search, you'll have to click on Find Runs, select it from the dropdown, and then select the Find Runs button. If you have any other questions, check out the FAQ to the left or go to our website computech.com for more content.